Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans, and if the pink tissue and the sticker didn't get you, we've got a Krissyanne Designs haul, and this is a very special haul. This is actually the 13 years of CAD bundle that I wanted to share with you. So I've been using Krissyanne Designs for forever. It's something that I love, and I just love how she supports the planner community. I can't believe it's been 13 years since she launched her shop. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of take a walk through the bundle that's being released later this week in honor of the 13 years of CAD week. So here is the collection itself. So you see this thing here, it says I'd rather be planning, and it's kind of in this embossed little case. Oh, that's fun. And it says, as you can tell, it says 13 years of CAD. Then we've obviously got the binder here that also says I'd rather be planning. And then it says 13 years of CAD over here. So I'm loving kind of the theme that we're going with this go round. Like, how cute is this? Let's get the tissue and the wrapping out of the way. So inside the bundle, there's gonna be 8 sticker sheets, a clear die cut sticker set. There's gonna be a 9x6 weekly notepad and some washi, 2 rolls of 5mm and 2 rolls of 15. There's an acrylic washi cutter stand set, and then a sticker binder as well. So I mean, oodles of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and kind of open this up. As you can see, they were nice enough to send this to me, the team over at Krissyanne Designs. So thank you so much to them. I've got a coupon code down below if you are curious. So let's open this up. I love that this is like a little, oh my, look at all the fun. Cool, okay. So let's move this. I'm assuming this is just the binder and it's like shrink wrapped, which is nice. So I'll move that to the side. But let's go ahead and kind of open this up. Oh my God, look at what's in here. It's like Christmas morning. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's open this up and kind of start. What is this? Ooh, we got ourselves a weekly notepad. So let's zoom in a little bit, shall we? I'm gonna move this over a touch. So there you go. So as you can see here, it is, oh, it's rainbow. That's cool. So you got Monday through Sunday, and then there's like a nice open box here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 lines. So you could do hours, meal block, meal prep. As you can tell, it's kind of bound on the side here, so you can, look at that flip through. It's so pretty. Yeah, so they've got the rainbow spread, and I don't actually, it's not sticky over here, but again, it peels really nice. So this is that 9x6 notepad here that we've got, and it includes 56 weeks. You've got a full year of stuff in here. So it'll get you to the 14th anniversary of CAD. Anyway, so I think this is super cute. I'm super excited about this. I'm wondering how I would use this. Maybe do some of the hours in the day, or even just do some meal prep and stuff and leave it over in my kitchen. I don't know, but I think this is super fun and super colorful. I love the color here. And then on the back, you've got kind of a blank page here to do whatever you'd like, which is kind of fun too. All right, so I'll zoom you guys in a little bit more so we can take a better peek. So these are actually the clear die cuts, and I do see a note here that they can be used on a water bottle, which is fun. So it says, I have too many stickers, said no one ever, in a rainbow. That's funny. Next says, put a date on it, and it's got a little date stamp here with the little knob. Oh, that's so cute. Then we have a fun planner cart here in white, which who doesn't love their planner cart? I sure as hell do. Then we've got a book here that says, I'd rather be planning 13 years of CAD in that black. That's fun. Then we have planner goodies. So you got a little like tote here, or even a bag, and you've got a pen, some markers, a ruler, all that jazz. This is hard to see, but it says, I like to party, and by party I mean stay at home and play with my planners. Ain't that the truth? This one says, home is where my stickers are. And then this one says, nothing haunts you like the stickers you didn't buy. All of which, very accurate. So yeah, that's the clear die cut stickers. They're super fun this year. I haven't decided where all of them will go, but I just like, how stinking cute are these? I love the I like to party one, and I think the nothing haunts you like the stickers you didn't buy, because it is true. Like, there are lots of times where I'm kind of like wishing I had a sticker I purchased and it's gone. So I'm gonna move these off to the side. Next up here, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I believe this is the like, this is the washi cutter stand. how cool is this? Okay, so it comes in like a little pack again here. Oh, I'm so curious about this. So it says, home is where my washi is, Krissyanne Designs. And then it looks like it sits here, so you've got inches on one side and centimeters on the other, so for us folks. And then you've got this little thing here that kind of just sits like this. And I'm assuming you can use a ruler, and then this is your washi cutter, so you can go ahead and just stick that on there and pull. That's so neat. It's so cute. This would look fun on any desk. And obviously, you can either have it facing this way, so you can have the KrissyanneDesigns.com thing right there. It's super cute, and I love the ruler included on it as well. That's just so adorable. Next up here, we've got ourselves some washi. Ooh, I love a good washi tape. I'm gonna struggle to open this, I bet. So in the bundle, you're gonna get two 15mm and two 5mm as well. So here is one of the 15mm, and it's kind of like a zoom. It's kind of like a rainbow of different planner goodies. So you've got a printer, a checklist, some Polaroids, washi, some stickers, some pens, and you can see it kind of moves through the colors of the rainbow. So that's one. And the other one is the same thing, but it's kind of in blackout. Let's see, will it? Come on, focus, focus, focus. But yeah, so same type of deal here, but with blackout, which I think is absolutely stunning. Yeah, super duper cute, love it. And then you get two of the 5mm, which are way smaller, and they're just these fun little checklist washis in rainbow. Come on, there you go. So yeah, it's just a checklist, and it's a blackout and then in white as well, with the little squares to check off, which is just super cute. So those are the washi that you get as part of the bundle for the anniversary collection, which is exciting. Now we come to usually my favorite part, the stickers, because who doesn't love stickers? So in this set, there's 8 sticker sheets that have been reformatted, and you know, I am just, oh, they're the embossed ones too. Oh, I love these. Okay, so we'll start here. This has got some quote stickers, which you've seen already. Nothing haunts you like the stickers you didn't buy. A few of my favorite things. It's a planner thing. Home is where my stickers are. I like to party. So you can see they like repeat some of the fun stuff. It says I'd rather be planning. So these are actually embossed, and they're also rainbow. So like they're super bright, super fun, super festive. So that's one. And so then obviously these are gonna be your full boxes here. And as you can see, there's like a fun pattern in the back. It's really, it matches. I'm gonna pull this up, whoops, as I'm like sending stickers flying everywhere. Love it, love it, love it. So this is kind of the pattern that's floating in the back of all of these stickers. Come on, focus. Let's do this, there you go. So this pattern is kind of in the back of all of the different sticker sheets. So like here, I'll show you. So like right here, if you kind of zoom in on those, like you can kind of see they're floating in the back. Or not, there you go. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of in the back there, which is, it adds a bit more kind of pop of color. So nice and bright, love how cute this is. Then we come over here, you've got these big washi strips that say planner's gonna plan, don't touch my stickers. It's a planner thing and I've got a sticker for that. And then you have the date covers here. It says Good Morning Sunshine. I feel like this is a classic. And you've got the date sets down here, and all of it is embossed, which is nice, but like look at some of these doodles, like the prescription, the laundry, coffee, travel, the house one, like they're all, oh, this one's so cute with the hearts, happy mail, love it. So then you get to your more functional set here. It says jamming on my planner. And again, you've got some quarter boxes here, or some half boxes, some quarter boxes, some smaller appointment ones, and then some habit trackers along the bottom, which I just think are stunning. Then we have this set here, so it says, do this now, what a day, but first, treat yourself, today I will, big plans, don't wait, memories, love this. You've got some smaller stickers here. You've got some fun quote ones that say, I love, maybe later, wake up and be awesome, no way, what does the yellow guy say? You can do hard things. Oh, I love that t-shirt that they have. Keep moving forward, nope, I'd rather not. You got weekend, a cute little planner goodie sticker, and then the kit here, you've got some of the quote ones, and of course you've got a rainbow of Steve's. How could you not like that? This is then their journaling set. So these are also a little, I mean, oh, I guess they're not embossed, but again, it's that same pattern floating in the back, but I just think this is so cute for like memory keeping. I think this is stunning. So you've got that set up here with these like big cutout ones here that are just super duper cute. Then we come to these fun ones that are like really, really pretty, which are just really some quote ones like get it done, meal prep, meal plan, focus, to-do list, tidy up, let's do this together, family time. So like just a really fun, bright coordinating kit. And then you've got more of the quote stickers from earlier. So you've got I like to party, and by party I mean stay at home and play with my planners. So all of these fall into the anniversary collection. And then last but certainly not least is the binder itself that it will live inside of. So we'll remove the little protector here. Oh, how cute! Look on the inside. That's it. Again, it's the same pattern, just blown up in that rainbow. But so it's got the corner protectors here in silver, and then it has this over here. And again, because they are binder ready in the bundle, because it comes with it, we can just go ahead and stick this right in here. I love it. So cute. So let's talk some specifics about kind of what anniversary week is going to be like. So there is kind of promotions throughout the entire week, and they're all going to start kind of, there's like a 13% off coupon code that will be used all week, 13 years of CAD, right? I will leave the link to the schedule of kind of all the celebrations that are happening throughout the week down in the bottom of this video, but it's starting on May 15th, and then the bundle itself, the 13-year anniversary on May 19th, will be released on the 19th. And so I'll have all the items here in the bundle. It will go for $72 without the sticker binder, or $88 with the binder included. And remember, with the bundle, you'll get all these different washies here that we've talked about, all of the fun sticker die cuts that are just super stinking cute. So there's so many little goodies. And then you also get the pad here, and then also can't forget about the washi cutter itself. So there's lots of goodies here. I hope you're excited about this as I am. Again, I just think this is absolutely so cute, and if you are a CAD lover, which I know many of you in the planner community are, then I feel like this is a great thing to kind of stock up, get yourself some fun stickers that you know and you love, and then this fun little washi cutter. I can't wait to use this thing. So let me know in the comment below which is the favorite thing you saw, and I can't wait to share this with you in the next couple of days. I actually might use this for my spread for Krissyanne Designs as well, so you know, can't kind of wait for that. So that'll wrap up this week. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and happy 13th birthday to CAD. So you can connect with me over on Instagram. I'm @amanwiththeplans. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, planner friends.